Hey guys, welcome back to Gloria Home of Skills. So guys, if you're working class or a stay-at-home mom or a student and you want to add value to yourself, you want to make money, I'm going to be holding a master class on how to produce a multipurpose liquid soap looking like this. This is a morning fresh standard, it's a store-bought grade. So in case you want to start selling in the supermarket or you want to be supplying to people, I'm going to coach you on how to produce this liquid soap, and also I'm going to give you a formulation of hand wash and also coach you on liquid soap souvenir and also teach you how to package your liquid soap for sales. Okay, so guys, don't miss out on this masterclass training. If you miss out, you're going to miss a lot. So if you want to make in a very big quantity, I'm going to give you a measurement for that. So my price is 10,000 naira and is $10. So in case you want to pay in dollars, you're going to pay $10. So watch this video to the end. I'm going to give you some clips on how this is made and how foamy and clean this is. So stay tuned and keep watching.